how to use Hello Blink Tattoo Maker. So this is a separate app you need to download. There is separate Hello Blink, but you need this red app. It just says Tattoo Maker Hello Blink. You just download it. You need to give access to your Bluetooth. Then just create tattoos, and you need to enable Bluetooth. So make sure to enable Bluetooth in here. And then you should be able to connect printer. So just here you might see it. And then you connect your printer and then you decide which kind of tattoo you wanna create. Import a photo. So import, you can just import from your photos. You can take a photo, you can create, draw, gallery, write something. So for example, you can just draw, you can whatever you want, but obviously I think there is like the whole library of Hello Blink tattoos, which you can just import to have a better picture. Then you can see it like that, and then you can just select to print tattoo, and you also need to connect printer. This is a separate specific printer with a sticky paper, which you can then just attach to your body. So that's kind of how you see it in here. There's whole FAQ. So again, you need specific tattoo paper, and that's kind of the idea. You just need to wet your tattoo. You can remove temporary tattoos in warm water and soap or baby oil. It can take 4 days and all of that. And there is customer service, buffalogames.com. So yeah, that's the idea.